I hope you are all well, and today we are going to teach how we can earn from dropshipping. So please watch the full video and subscribe to the channel. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method that allows a store to sell products without keeping inventory in stock. Here are the general steps involved in the dropshipping process. 1. Choose a niche. The first step in dropshipping is to choose a niche or product category to focus on. This will help you to identify potential suppliers and create a targeted marketing strategy. 2. Find a supplier. Once you have identified your niche, you need to find a supplier who can provide the products you want to sell. You can search for suppliers on online marketplaces such as AliExpress, or you can use a supplier directory like Salehu. 3. Set up your online store. You will need to create an online store to sell your products. There are several e-commerce platforms you can use, including Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. 4. Import products to your store. Once you have set up your store, you can import the products you want to sell from your supplier's website using a product importer tool or a plugin. 5. Market your products. To attract customers to your store, you need to create a marketing strategy. This may include social media advertising, email marketing, influencer marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO. 6. Process orders. When a customer places an order on your website, you will receive a notification. You then need to place an order with your supplier and provide them with the customer's shipping information. 7. Fulfill the order. The supplier will then fulfill the order by shipping the product directly to the customer. You don't need to handle any inventory or shipping yourself. 8. Provide customer support. As the retailer, you are responsible for providing customer support. This may include answering customer inquiries, handling returns, and addressing any issues that arise with the products. By following these steps, you can start and run a successful dropshipping business. It's important to note that while dropshipping has many advantages, it also has some potential drawbacks, such as lower profit margins and the risk of relying on third-party suppliers for your inventory.